Hello and welcome to this video dedicated to Dzine AI, an outstanding and comprehensive platform to create and design impressive characters, videos, and stunning images in a single platform powered by artificial intelligence. Make sure to get the link below the video description to access Dzine AI right away. Dzine AI opens on the home dashboard with a clean and intuitive layout. On the left, you get quick access to your existing projects, a complete list of all the AI tools within Dzine AI, and your assets library, collecting all media files you have uploaded in the platform. You can also open the Community tab to get inspired or search for ideas through loads of content made by the community, analyzing prompts, AI styles, and much more. Dzine AI has outstanding tools for character creation. First of all, let's start from a new project, adjusting aspect ratio and canvas size in pixels. On the left, navigate to Character and go to Build Your Character above to create a new one from scratch, from a textual description or from given images taken as reference. With Start with Description, give your character a name and fully describe it, such as its visual and physical appearance, mood, behavior, talents, and anything that is relevant for your character. At the bottom, upload any image to take any face as reference, and then select the right AI style to use. As you click on Generate, Dzine AI creates a series of previews from which you can select the best character to take and train on. This training is run automatically and requires only several minutes, after which you will be able to use your character anytime. If you have images or even sketches to use as reference to build your character, head to Start with Images instead. In this case, fix the character name and drop all media you have. Make sure these images are all related to the same character and head to 3 or 5 images at least for the best final result. Once Dzine AI has finished training the character model, this appears under Manage Your Characters, where you can edit name, reference images, or even remove it if you do not need it anymore. With this character ready, go to Generate Images to start creating scenes featuring your character. At the top, select the character you want and add a prompt description to update its appearance, mood, and any action to perform in the described environment. You also get suggestions at the bottom. Click on Camera to control the camera over your character, such as the character direction to put character in front of the camera, on the back, or even show it from the left or the right side. On Camera Shot, fine-tune the framing of the shot. You can select Full Body to capture every detail on the entire body, Upper Body for a half-body portrait, Close Up to show your character face, or a Wide Shot to show your character in the chosen environment or landscape. At the bottom, set the preferred aspect ratio for the image generation and the generation mode, focused on speed or better image quality. As you hit Generate, Dzine AI creates the image starring your character and matching your settings on the right. Hover over any image to preview it and run any of the quick actions at the bottom. You can generate variations from the chosen image. Run the AI editor to insert or remove details. Run Face Kit to edit facial expressions. Or use Enhance and Upscale to improve image quality and resolution. You can also save any image by clicking on Download, selecting JPG or PNG to save as an image or SVG to save as a vector file. In case you already have any image scene ready, you can use Insert Character to substitute a character with another you have. First of all, draw a selection around the area where you want to place your character, enlarging it a little more to get better merging results. On the left, choose the character and describe what it shall do, its appearance and mood. As you hit Generate, Dzine AI blends your character into the scene seamlessly. In the same way, you can also select any vacant region of the scene to insert the character from scratch. Switch to Character Sheet to instantly generate a quick image of a new character without investing time and credits on a complete training. Very useful for projects on the go. Once you launch the generation, you can check the result on the right and save it to your assets library. Make any further edit or head to Build Character to train the AI on the chosen image. For example, we can train the AI for this new character and add it next to our main character in the same image with Insert Character. Dzine AI also includes several tools to generate stunning videos, starting from the scenes, hosting your character, and animate them as you like. On the left side, click on AI Video to open the video generation options. On Image to Video, select any image to serve as the start frame for the video and another as end frame if you like. Select the AI video model from Kling, Minimax, Runway, or Luma, and at the bottom, describe what you want on the video, such as any character motion or the general environment. On Imagination, control how the AI must adhere to your prompt instructions versus how much it can be creative during the generation. Choose the video length and see the result. Switch to lip sync to generate a video by lip syncing any person or character with any audio. Upload any image or video to animate. And on Speaking Voice, you can generate audio from a given textual script and a selected voiceover from the list, in English or in other 7 languages.
I really love this day, this place. It is all simply perfect.
Alternatively, you can upload any ready audio file you have. At this point, generate the video and see how the lips move in perfect time with the chosen audio, adding speech to your animation.
I really love this day, this place. It is all simply perfect.
If you want to generate new videos from scratch, switch to text to video. Here again, select the AI model and describe with a prompt what you want on the video. With no other references used, you shall describe everything in detail, such as subject, background, mood, lights, season, and anything that can help matching your ideas. Also set aspect ratio, imagination level, and total duration. Thank you very much for watching this video. Check our video description to see how to access Dzine AI and start generating your first characters and animated stories. See you next time.